What's up, everybody? JT here, founder of Find Your Edge Trading, and we are going to go over today what the Discord looks like, things you can find in the Discord, things like that. So without further ado, let's get to it. So when you get into FYE, this is what you'll see as a paid member. I'm currently looking at it as a platinum member. Now this will have all of the additional chat rooms and things like that. So here you'll have your announcements. Usually whenever we post a Zoom link, because we like to go live, it will be posted here in the announcements. And you'll have to have that link in order to get in. So this is where they will be. Here we have a list of our rules that we have. If you need to open a support ticket, you just scroll down here and click any of these issues right here, whether it's billing, missing a role, trading question, or spam. Right here we have some testimonials of some winning trades, some daily recaps, some reviews that we have. All right. Next, you'll have chat rooms down here, and this is where we will talk about things that are going on in the trading during the trading day, or during our small time. We have our light chat. This is where people that have our light version, they will talk here. Now, if you are a member of Platinum, you get access to small groups, guys, and this is a big deal that we have over at FYE. We meet every 2 weeks, and we talk about whatever you like to talk about for about an hour, hour and a half, and it's great. It's definitely a huge value. If we ever go live within the server, we'll go live here in the options trading floor. Now, here are where the picks are. Now we have Market Wizards. This is our subcategory, and this is where I myself, JT, or Market Wizards will post a play that we are in. All right. Next, we will have, these are the stock plays that Market Wizards will be in. And if you have any insights, they'll be posted here with the notes. All right, there's the notes that we post. Down here under option trades, JT will post his ideas with triggers for a long trade or a short trade. Here, our friend Option Trader 17, aka Neo, will post his trades. He currently has a challenge account going on from here, 1K to 10K. Next, we have Bear. Bear is a wonderful trader. Love having him on the team. Bearish will post his plays here. DD King, also an amazing trader. Same thing. Then we have Extreme. Posts great plays each and every day. Then we have Marvin. He has a great AI system, and he will post those trades as well. Now, if you have Easy Layup, which is our algo that we have developed, this is a bot that will go along with it for ideas with that. Here's some other stock ideas from Zulin. We also have Crisp. He's really good. And then we have some technical analysis that you may see throughout the day, and we will post these here, as well as a watch list each and every day, long above, short below kind of things. And that's pretty much it. Now, if you want to break down the types of traders that we have here, just to get a little more granular, when it comes to Market Wizards and myself, JT, we are more or less day traders, although we will post swings from time to time. Neo, as you may know, also does some day trades or swing trades. He's particularly looking for profit targets himself, I believe at least 50%. Then you have Bear, and he is mostly a day trader, but sometimes he will swing some things. DD will be mostly also a day trader, but he will specify if it is a swing. And Extreme, he will post the same way. Mostly day trades, but he will specify if it's a swing. Now for the Chef, he will mostly do day trades specifically, and the Easy Layup is meant for day trades only. Stock ideas, those can also be swing or day trades. So that's it for now. If you guys have any questions, just make sure to reach out to me. JT. And like and subscribe this video. Like I said, subscribe to the channel. We are going to do more content here on the Find Your Edge YouTube, so we appreciate you guys being part of it. And y'all have a great evening. Thanks.